Hi there. So the news of the moment is the crypto market is dipping hard and Bitcoin is down 50% on its all-time high over 6 months ago. So the market is very negative in the moment. All of this uncertainty in the world, high inflation in the US, Ukraine war, a lot of uncertainty. A lot of the top investors, institutional investors are getting out of Bitcoin and crypto. And hence why we're seeing the market really dip. And I think, unfortunately, I think we're in a bear market. I think this is probably going to continue. Listening to a lot of the top experts who are a lot smarter than me, I think we're going to see the crypto market dip even lower. But I think this gives investors like ourselves and myself opportunities, and I'm going to go over that in a minute with you. But before I carry on with the video, nothing in this video should be taken as investment advice. Crypto is highly risky and speculative. I'm not a financial advisor, and I would never advise anyone to invest in crypto or suggest coins to invest in. If you want to invest in crypto coins, please do your own research, manage your risk smartly, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Investing in the crypto space is highly risky, and you could lose some or all of your money. So you have been warned. And the last thing I'll say is that if you're looking for a financial newsletter to give you all of the latest crypto research, news, and insights, I can highly recommend the Palm newsletter. I've been a member for 18 months and I've pretty much learned everything I know about crypto from this course. You get all sorts of cool things here, monthly newsletter, all of these in-depth reports, the portfolio, and the crypto course. If you're a beginner and you don't know how crypto works or how to invest, crypto course is for you. Highly recommend this. If you want to join or take a look, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It's only $49 for the year. Absolute bargain. You'll learn a lot from this. And Tika Tiwari is the chief editor, who's one of the top crypto experts in the world. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out if you want to. So let's get on with today's video. So yeah, the current crypto market isn't good. It's falling hard. Just analyzing the market, listening to a lot of the experts, it seems we're like in the bear market. A lot of investors who are holding crypto getting out because a lot of them aren't seeing Bitcoin and the other coins as a really long-term source of value because they're highly volatile. And a lot of them, there's no real business model behind them as well. They don't really generate any income. So a lot of the investors are leaving the market, hence why we're seeing the coins crashing. Now, how long will this fall or crash continue? No one really knows. So in terms of Bitcoin, I've heard Tika Tiwari say that we could be dipping lows 28,000, and it's not improbable that Ethereum could dip under $2,000 or even $1,500. No one really knows what's going to happen, but what I will say, and this is a reason to be positive, if anyone is going to buy crypto, now is the time to do it, or certainly in the next couple of weeks, because just like trading, you get buy when the market is fearful, and basically sell when the market is sort of like really in a positive mood. So now there's going to be so many opportunities, because from my own point of view, whether Bitcoin stays this or dips under 30,000, I don't think we're ever going to see it as low as this again. I could be wrong there, no one really knows, but we're not going to see Bitcoin as cheap as this again, nor Ethereum. Let's take Ethereum for example. Ethereum's going through a huge network change at the moment. It's moving from proof of work to proof of stake. What that essentially means in a non-geeky way is when the changeover is done and is gone to proof of stake, the network's going to be faster, more efficient, fees are going to be low, it's going to be more scalable, and potentially up to 90% of Ethereum coins in circulation will disappear. What do you think is going to happen with the price? That price is going to shoot up. And in actual fact, I've heard top analysts say that in the future, Bitcoin could reach 500,000 and Ethereum could go up to 40 to 50,000. Now, from my own sort of investment strategy. I see Bitcoin and Ethereum as long-term stores of value. You know, unless you've got hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars to invest, you're not really going to make huge gains from these. So what I tend to think of these two as, you know, I'll slowly pump money into this and hold these for the long term. These are what's going to give, you know, the long-term value, because I think these are so established. I mean, there's only 21 million Bitcoins in circulation, so a very limited supply. So I think the price of this is only going to shoot up. I truly believe that, and I think a lot of other experts will agree also. And it's the same for Ethereum. Ethereum's going to be one of them. Well, I've heard people say Ethereum's going to be one of the most valuable financial assets in the world. And obviously, once the network change is done, I think this price is going to shoot up as well. So whilst we're seeing the fall of these two coins, along with all of the other altcoins, or a lot of them anyway, I think now presents investors a lot of opportunity to maybe buy a bit of Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum, and put a little bit of money into some altcoins as well. Now, I'm not advising you do this. This is real. I'm only really speaking from my own investment perspective. This is kind of like how I'm seeing it, and I'm seeing a lot of opportunity in the moment. But obviously, if you are going to invest in crypto, only invest what you can afford to lose. I mean, the way I'd see it is I'd just have a bit of fun with it. This is kind of like fun money, you know, just put a little bit in these two maybe, and then just seek out some other good altcoin projects. But yeah, do so at your own risk. Please do your own research into the project, and never invest more than you can afford to lose is my advice for you. But let's have a look at something positive. So these are a list of top gainers. These are pretty much all of the new altcoins and tokens. So whilst obviously there's a lot of negativity in the market, there's still a lot of coins here. I mean, 526% in the past 24 hours. All right, a lot of these are going to be garbage. There are going to be some buttes in here, but there's still a lot of gains to be had. And the key, obviously, with crypto is timing. You know, the earlier you get in with these kind of things, basically, you know, and obviously if you want to ride that initial pump and get out the top, or you want to hold long, timing is the key when investing in cryptocurrencies. And I truly believe that now there's never really been a better time to get in crypto, because crypto is the future. And with the market how it is, it's dipping. There's going to be so many opportunities. I mean, we're never going to see these two coins at this level again, especially if this dips below 30,000, this dips below 2,000. You know, it's just not going to happen. So yeah, I think whilst in the moment there's a lot of people are fearful, I think there's a lot of things to be excited about in the crypto market. So anyway, let's just do a quick recap of the crypto market. So, God, we're at 1.44 trillion, down 3.76%, on the past 24 hours. So let's just go through the prices. So Bitcoin is sitting at $31,434.94, down 4.5% on yesterday, pretty much. Ethereum is at $2,378.06, down 0.28%. Tether is stablecoin, pretty much. It's dipped below the $1. BNB is sitting at $321.58, down 4.58%. USD coin is holding pretty much close to the dollar. XRP is at $0.52, down 2.41%. Solana is at $69.55, down 2.64%. Cardano is sitting at $0.67 or 67 cents, up 1.85%. Binance USD is pretty much holding steady. Terra USD is dips quite hard, well below the $1 stake, down 8.86%. Dogecoin is at $0.11, down 2.47%. Avalanche is at $47.07, down 3.45%. Polkadot is at $11.73, down 2.21%. Terra is at $29.94, down 50%. Wow, huge fall. And Shiba Inu is, I'm not even going to attempt to figure out what that is, but it's marginally up 2.06%. So yeah, as we can see, pretty much the market is mirroring what Bitcoin does. So all eyes, I think, are really what on Bitcoin and Ethereum do. But listening to the experts, I think we're going to be in this dip for a while yet. But then again, that creates a lot of opportunity for investors. So yeah, it's painful times, obviously, if you hold a lot of money in crypto. I think my advice is to suck up the pain, be smart. Just because I think also there's going to be a lot of opportunity. I mean, from my own personal perspective, I increased my position in Ethereum. I'm going to increase my position in Bitcoin, and I'm eyeing up some other altcoin projects, which I'll probably do a video about in the future. But I'm going to potentially invest in. Now, I'll finish by saying nothing in this video should be taken as investment advice. Obviously, if you want to invest in crypto, please do it at your own risk. Do your own research and never invest more than you can afford, because investing in crypto is highly, highly risky. And I'll finish by saying, once again, obviously, if you want a financial newsletter to get all the latest crypto research, picks, and a crypto course from the world's leading crypto expert, Tika Tiwari, I can highly recommend Palmy's letter. Being a member for 18 months, picks up most of my knowledge from there. Yeah, it's only $49 for the year. Absolute bargain. You get a 60-day money-back guarantee. So I'll link to that down below so you can take a look. So that's what I've got for you guys. Yeah, rough times in the crypto market, but I think huge opportunities as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.